Learning how to speak fluent, confident, and natural English is an achievable goal. Every English learner is different, but there are a number of easy ways to improve in a short period of time. Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. So here are my 6 golden tips on how to speak English fluently and confidently. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning English. It doesn't matter if your vocabulary is limited. It doesn't matter if your pronunciation isn't flawless. And it doesn't matter if your grammar isn't perfect. What does matter is that you adopt a bold attitude and open your mouth and speak if you really do want to improve your English fluency. Number 2. Practice reading loudly. Whenever you read anything in English, speak in a louder voice so that you can hear your own sound. With that, you will be able to understand each and every word of the content. Also, make an effort to improve your pronunciation. The way you pronounce certain words could be the reason your English speaking skills seem a little off. So practice saying some problematic words properly. Number 3. Speak in front of mirror. It will look funny, we know. But by talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror for a few minutes each day, you will learn when and how to use different expressions. So make mirror your best friend. Number 4. Listen to more English every day. Listening to music that is sung in English can help you master how to speak language faster, especially when you try to sing along to the lyrics. And watch children cartoons. Weird as this may sound, kids' cartoon can teach you plenty about speaking English, especially with regard to proper diction. Finally, watch English movies with subtitles to understand what's being said, and it will also help you to grow your vocabulary. Number 5. Speaking English with your family, friends, colleagues. Whenever you have the chance, choose to carry on small talk in English. It will boost your speaking skills. Number 6. Tongue twisters. Tongue twisters can reveal certain weakness in your speaking skills. Practice with tricky sayings like this. The cook took a good look at the cookery book. Woo! Next, a little girl with a pretty curl. Oh, now try this by yourself. If you did, then comment me below and practice more tongue twisters. Last but not the least, my special one bonus tip. Writing diary. It's true, the more you write, the more fluent you will become. So writing in your diary every day helps you think more in English, learn new vocabulary, and improve your English writing skills. The expert in anything was once a beginner, so keep going. I hope these 6 tips will help you to improve your English language. And for more useful videos, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.